Compass reading at 34.5 meters. Mark position. Grid sequence complete. You are clear for foundation prep. Over.
Rig 2, position 42. Torque check's good.
Copy that, moving to 43. Bring it down easy now. All right, we're hooked up, take it away.
City.
Left 5 centimeters, hold down. Confirmed. That's tight. Set it down easy now. Clear on this side. Needs to shift left a bit. Looks good, right at 25 millimeters.
All right, keep the flow steady.
Everything looks good here, no micro fractures. All right, we'll move the next one inside. $28, $29, $30. 3 more to go. Hold steady.
Position and lift.
That's the last one up. It looks incredible.
Whoa! We actually finished ahead of schedule.
Great work, everyone. Time for a hot sauna. Pumps engaged, sealed. Lifting now. Steady, let's move forward slowly. Synchronize your steps. Bring it down slowly, watch the edge.
Oh, it's settled!
Yes, we got it. Great work.
Left, stop. Turn, stop.
Bathroom 10 amp GFCI connected. Lighting, heating, glass heating. Align it with the curve here.
How's that? Okay, adjusting the feet now.
And here is the motorized tilt. Check the level on this side. Looks dead center to me. Hand me that trim piece, will ya?
Here you go, the fridge is humming nicely.
Does that match the schematic at the hub?
Yes, Supervisor. Everything is lined up.
Looks good. Perfect. East Village 14 is ready. I'll just snap a quick picture for the records.
Inspection successful. All systems operational. Final certification issued.
Kelo log stack 7. Harvest site Kittilä. Dead standing since 1850. Approved for igloo construction.
The diameter here is 42. We need the cut at 5 meters, 20 centimeters.
42 diameter, 5.2 meters.
All right, hold it right there. We're clear on the east side. Bring it down another 5 centimeters. Steady now. Push it left a little. How's that fit? Perfect. Hold it steady.
Ensure the seams are completely sealed before we lay the foam boards.
Got it. We need that R35 rating for the snow load.
Try to keep the alignment true right along this edge.
Will do. It's sitting flat now. This motorized view of the aurora is incredible. It works perfectly.
It really is stunning. The guests will love this.
All right, this is the footprint for the first structure. Make sure the foundation is solid.
It's tight. Start the bags.
Securing the base now. The resistance is increasing rapidly. The cure is accelerating.
40 centimeters on the nose. We are cleared for deflation.
Got the bottom block?
Good, I'll get the valve now.
With these layers, including the -30 rated bag and the reindeer fur, you'll be perfectly warm even at -5.
-5 degrees Celsius, exactly right. The insulation looks good, very comfortable. This meets all requirements.
We need more snow on Sector Gamma.
Roger to that. Redirecting loader 4 now.
Watch the clearance on the archway.
Slowly, keep it coming down.
Up and down. Watch the east side, it's tilting.
That's good, hold it there.
We need to ensure these warmers are fully heated before the first transfer.
Absolutely. Chef is bringing the first course now.
We need to adjust the height of the archway.
Agreed. The proportions weren't quite right yet.
Bring it left slowly, easy now.
Copy that, watching the connection point, looks good, set it down. Bring it up slowly, watch the clearance on the left.
Steady, steady, easy now. Set it down gently.
Secure it now, the wind is picking up.
I'm putting the clips on. Start the wrench.
Okay, pull the crane back slowly.
Cable's connected and power is stable. Go ahead and test the panel.
All right, 30 meters confirmed. The ascent is smooth.
Running the system-wide diagnostic now. All 6 to 5 units and the tower are responding.
Confirmed. All systems connected and stable.
Control, this is Igloo 5.
Smoke detector test successful. Over.
We need 2 more posts for this row.
Okay, did you register the last set on the tablet?
We need to clear this lower section here, just enough for the aurora view.
All right, I'll take care of this one.
I am satisfied with the quality of the construction and the safety measures. Here is the permit.
Thank you. We appreciate the thorough review. The flowers are perfect and the provisions look great.
Thank you. Everything is set.
Excellent work. It's ready.
All stations, Kakslauttanen Arctic Resort is now operational.
I have never seen anything so beautiful.
It's like a dream, isn't it?
The reindeer steak, served on ice. Enjoy your meal.
It's beautiful. The steam against the ice is amazing.
Look at the colors. It's breathtaking. I've never seen anything like it.
Look at them go!
This is incredible. I can't believe we're finally doing this. Hold on tight, everyone.
The metal oxide layer ensures instant melting, while the underfloor system maintains an even 22 degrees Celsius. A continuous journey through our village, showcasing the harmony of our unique accommodations and the magic of the Arctic night.
Look at the lights.
They're absolutely beautiful from here.